Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can install Avast Free Antivirus. So first, you need to launch your web browser and search for Avast Antivirus in the search bar. You'll get various options, but you need to go to the official Avast software, which is indicating www.avast.com. Go ahead and open the official website. On the website, click on the free download button, which is indicating the Windows icon. This will download the Avast installer. Open your file explorer and go to your downloads folder. You should see the Avast installer file there. Double click on it and install the file to start the installation process. The installer might take you to the download page, and it will probably take 3 to 5 minutes depending on your internet speed. And after the download, click on continue and then continue with free and run the first scan. Avast will scan your computer for errors or malware. Once the scan is complete, you can click on resolve all to fix any issues. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.